CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock predictions. This is for Tuesday and onwards, and in this 1-minute video I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. And having done well over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, you know, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and it's all documented. Especially here with CRCL, this thing is melting down. Unironically, we're in a demand zone, right? Like beforehand, I took 3 opportunities higher, 3 trades. That was right, a very nice setup, and it delivered clearly from 76 to like 104, and then even came reach 200, 300 bucks. Especially where we are now. Bro, I'm not gonna sit here and dread this ticker, you know, hope just trying to force trades and all that. No, I'm just gonna set alerts, and only like the only thing that I'll care is if I start seeing breaks above 145. And that will be kind of the first sign to potentially take things up. But other than that, everything else in the meantime would just rather be noise. So I'll continue to keep you updated, and if you want to stay tuned and want to get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated. Bye bye.